Infinity Product Group's Team Sports Category Solutions provides retailers a single supplier solution for your team sports category needs. Let us help simplify your merchandising process. We stock over 3,000 SKUs representing 43 top NCAA teams. IPG expertly coordinates dozens of suppliers to develop a cohesive set. Once your custom set has been developed, Infinity's expert logistics team goes to work. With nearly 2 decades of experience designing, importing, sourcing, and distributing merchandise to major retailers, your team sports products will arrive when you need them. Infinity Product Group's sophisticated pick and pack fulfillment operation enables quick turnarounds with direct-to-store shipments from our centrally located warehouse. We ship all products to you at once, minimizing shipping costs and reducing delivery errors. This makes receiving and in-store merchandising much more efficient. Once your set is in store, our team of dedicated sales analysts focus on maximizing the performance of your assortment. We can replenish your store in a matter of days, minimizing on-hand inventory levels while maximizing sales. Additionally, Infinity Product Group's retailer portal gives your personnel real-time visibility into sales performance and analysis, shipment tracking, in-store setup references, and the ability to contact IPG personnel for at-once shipments with next-day capabilities. Infinity Product Group looks forward to becoming the single supplier solution for your team sports category management needs.